Good morning students. Today we are going to see the combustion process. Okay, in the combustion what we know, combustion is the process, it gives heat and light with the oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, combustion means flame, heat or light is possible. Okay, that is one type of chemical change also you can say, but it requires oxygen. Now here we see, here oxygen is available, right? But now this is the vinegar. Okay, this vinegar I will add in this. I'm gonna add this vinegar. Okay, I have added completely vinegar in this. Now I will add baking soda. Vinegar and baking soda reacts and produce carbon dioxide gas, right? So now you can see here what will be the effect. You can see here it completely extinguished. It's not more. Okay, it is not giving. Why? Because carbon dioxide gas is there. Now here this one another thing, if I will keep it near, then it also will blow off. Why? Because this one will produce carbon dioxide. In the presence of carbon dioxide, heat is not possible. Here oxygen I am providing, so it is completely giving heat. Okay, it is completely on. Here if I will take, this is the water, it will not blow up, it will not extinguish, but here it will start extinguish. Why? Because this vinegar and baking soda will produce carbon dioxide gas, and with the presence of carbon dioxide, heat doesn't last long anymore. So we require oxygen for combustion, right? So this is the thing you can see here. That means combustion requires oxygen, that we have seen already. If I will try here again, it will start giving heat and flame. Why? Because now carbon dioxide gas reaction is now little bit slow. But if again I will take, if I will take it more closer and near, then again it will blow off. Why? Because see here, you can see some voice is coming, because here little amount of carbon dioxide is yet present, but here again it is normal. But if I will take, if I will bring near here, or if I will add more, and you can see here I have added more baking soda, and you can see here the condition of flame, and here the condition of flame is normal. So for the combustion we need oxygen, and oxygen is must for combustion, but here carbon dioxide gas was there, so that's why it blew off and it didn't give heat and light with flame. So this was our experiment. Don't do at home, because this one is just like playing with fire. So if you will get caught fire, then you only will just get harm yourself. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. And I hope so you understood this thing, and you can ask me in our group. Okay, thank you.